Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Support YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to download and install the TaxTron T1 software on a Mac computer. Before we begin, here's something important to know. You can download our current year T1 software for free. You don't need to pay right away. You can install it, prepare your tax return, and only purchase a license when you're ready to file. Whether you download the software from our website or from a link in a purchase confirmation email, the steps are the same. Let's start. Open your web browser and go to www.taxtron.ca. Click on Products at the top of the page, then select Mac T1. You'll see two options, Single License and Family License. Both use the same software. The only difference is the license type you'll apply later. Before downloading, make sure to check the system requirements to confirm that your Mac is compatible with the software. Scroll down the page until you see the button that says Download it for free. Click on it. And again, click on Download TaxTron T1 2024. The file will begin downloading. You'll usually see the download progress in the top right corner of your browser. Once the download is complete, click Open File. If you can't find it, open Finder, go to the Downloads folder and look for TaxTron T1. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. A window will appear with the TaxTron T1 icon. Double-click the icon to begin the installation process. Follow the steps one by one. Click Continue to proceed. Read the license agreement, then click Continue again. On the next screen, click Install. Enter your Mac login password when prompted to start the installation. After a few moments, the software will be installed. You'll see a message asking if you want to move the TaxTron 2024 installer to the trash. Click Move to Trash to clean up the installation files. The installation window will close and the TaxTron T1 software will open automatically. You'll also find a shortcut icon on your desktop for easy access later. And that's it. You're now ready to start preparing your tax return with TaxTron T1 for Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more helpful tax tips and tutorials.